If the display is lit but the buttons are unresponsive, it may be due to a short circuit in the mixing motor. Disconnect the power. Remove the left side panel and rear panel, and remove the mainboard cover. Locate the mixing motor connector on the mainboard and clean any adhesive residue from the connector. Disconnect the connector and signal cable from the mixing motor in cylinder E. Power on the machine. If the cleaning button works normally, the problem is with the mixing motor in cylinder E. Contact customer service for a replacement. Connecting the mixing motor in cylinder E still results in no response when pressing the buttons. Continue troubleshooting by disconnecting the mixing motor in cylinder R and its signal cable. On the machine and the cleaning button works normally. The problem is with the mixing motor in cylinder R. Contact customer service for a replacement.